guys. Hi. How are you? You're welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. And yeah, thank you so much for stopping by. And for my subscribers, thank you so much for the support and the love. And well, today I'm doing a vlog about the place where I am. I'm currently at Ishasha Wilderness Camp, that is in Queen Elizabeth National Park, towards the southern side of the park. So I just got to my room. It's around 2. We arrived at around 1, had lunch at around 2 o'clock. So now it's like 3 p.m. They just took me to my room and I just had to show you guys how it looked. So yes, let's start the tour of my room first, then I'll freshen up, change, and yeah, then I'll show you the other part of the place. But it's really nice. So yeah, they just got me to my room, and yeah, this is the room. That's the bed I'm going to be sleeping on. Yeah, and that's the table. So outside there's like a river, so those are the views you have. This is where you enter from, and this is like a table with a charging extension and a dustbin. Then yeah, those are my bags. Yeah, and this is a note. Yeah, they say, "Dear Rita, welcome to Ishasha Camp. Warm wishes, the Ishasha team." So that's Ishasha Wilderness Camp in Uganda. Those are the keys to my room. That's the camera bag. I have to take pictures while I travel for work, so that's why I have the camera with me. Yeah, and those are the bedside lamps. That's like a mini closet. I'll definitely be hanging my clothes there. That's the outside. The tents are made of like canvas. And yeah, this is like a box where they put insect repellent. Yeah, that's insect repellent. This is an air horn in case you're in trouble and you need to call for help. Then there's a flashlight. I think I'll be using that at night if I'm walking to the area where we're going to have dinner from. So that's basically the room tour. Yeah, that's the room tour. So now the bathroom, and there's a big mirror. Of course I like the mirror. Who wouldn't like the mirror anyway? So these are the towels. Yeah, what's this? I don't know what this is. Knick-knack. Oh, they're earpads. This is a tissue. Everything is like made of African things. Like this is nice. It's really nice. It's cute. That's the toilet area. And so that's drinking water. There's like drinking water here, and these are really nice glasses. I liked them because they are made out of wine bottles, so they like cut the glass and made like from a wine bottle and turned it into a glass, so the color is really nice. Yeah, then that's hand wash, the sink, and the mirror. Yes, so I think that's where I'll place my toothbrush. This is hot water in case you want to bathe hot water. This is soap. I think that's powder, lotion, and there's a mirror. I think you can see outside. And guys, the bathroom. The shower is made of stone. So that's, yeah, there's a towel there, and that's the shower. There's like an option for cold water and hot water. This, I think this is, let me see, that's shower gel, that's shampoo in case I need to wash my hair, that's conditioner. We are done with the tour of the bathroom. That's the bathroom and the toilet, and we're done. So guys, that was my room tour. Then I'm going to freshen up and show you how the outside looks, the lounge area. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice. Bye.